right, so we're going to work on some 5th grade science, and this is review. We've done this a long time ago, sedimentary rock. Y'all did real good on this one, so it should be pretty easy. We've got the weathering, the erosion, the deposition, compaction, and cementation. Sedimentary rock is formed when sediments are layered, compacted, and cemented. Sediments must be deposited in a new place, then compacted and cemented to form sedimentary rock. Over time, sediments get pressed closer and closer together, compaction, and harden into some sedimentary rock, cementation. Don't forget, if you're turning in packets, make sure you put your name on each and every page. We had a meeting yesterday. Lots of packets didn't have names on them. I hate for you guys to do your work and not get credit for it just because you didn't get your name on it. All right. Rocks blank into sediments and are blank to a new place. So I'll help you with at least this first one. We've got cementation, layers, compacts, deposited, eroded, and weathered. Okay. All right, rocks.
Oh no.
Erode into sediments and are transported, or let's see, deposited? Yeah. Rocks eroded into sediments and are transported, or deposited, I'm sorry.
Did you do your 10:30
Not yet.
Okay,
Sediments are blank in blank. Sediments harden into sedimentary rock during blank. Pressure blank the sediments, packing the layers tight. Everything's right here. Should be really easy. All right, let's go on to the next page. All right, so this one, I'm not going to answer the questions, but I'll read them and I will help you, find the keywords and such. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments of weathered material that have been eroded and then deposited in layers. This process requires, so when they are eroded and deposited, what is it? Cool temperatures and time, deposition and melting, mining and transportation, or time and pressure. Some of this is like silly, like we know cool temperatures, we know mining. So the rest, that gives you 2 answer choices, and one is of course the most correct. Number 2, the most important factor in shaping the sedimentary rock layers below. So right here, it's kind of hard to see, but this is like a waterfall, and then it's like a river that goes through here. Is it a volcanic eruption, the scorching sun, moving water, or an earthquake? So what do we see in this picture? Number 3, again, make sure your name's on every page. A group of students explores the steps required for sedimentation of rocks. They record the results of the process in the table. Step 1, weathering. Step 2, erosion. Step 3, deposition. And then what is step 4? Does it melt, transport, compact, or fragment? And there's only one. Well, there's 2 kind of vocabulary words, but one is the major because we already have deposition, which, okay, gave you a huge hint. Number 4, students are learning about the formation of fossil fuels. They decide to construct a representation of how pressure and time cause organisms to turn into oil. The physical representation the students constructed is called a model, clone, design, or structure. What do we call it in science? That one's easy. The research of geologists B.W. Merck and B.J. Skinner claims that rock formations like Bryce Canyon in Utah, it's beautiful, provide information about past climates and life forms that inhabited Earth. These rock formations are made up largely of sandstone, limestone, and shale. Which earth process is evident in this canyon? Remember, it's got sandstone, limestone, and shale. Formation of sedimentary rock, erosion of shorelines, weathering of hilltops, or supporting plant growth. We know that Utah is not anywhere near a shore. Okay, and what are we studying? Okay, number 6. Oh, never mind. That was it. That completes your last science lesson for 5th grade.